Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. So the other week I was watching Love Meg and she started a series called When You Don't Feel Like Getting Out of Bed, and then she's going to do a lot more of when you don't feel like this or that. So I was inspired by that and I thought of what is something I can do that takes inspiration from that but also does not copy her, because I'm not a believer in copying other YouTubers. And I thought, what about good enough clean with me? Like, you know, we half butt it today, clean with me. So I looked on YouTube and of course there's already someone else that has come up with that phrase. So then I thought, what about imperfect clean with me? Because sometimes it's okay to just get what you can get done and not worry about it trying to be perfect. If anything, it should never feel like if I'm going to clean today, it has to be perfect or I don't want to do it. Because a lot of times there are some of us that deal with perfectionism and we feel like if I can't get it at 100%, I don't even want to start. And then it keeps us from doing things that we want to do. And I just want to tell you today, it does not have to be perfect. So in today's video, we are doing an imperfect clean with me. And I'm starting right now. So there may be some music playing in the background, but I really want to motivate y'all today to just get out of bed. So if you're watching this from your bed, watch it. If you feel inspired to get up halfway through, get up. If you want to get up after you watch it, that's fine. But this is going to be a short video today, and I'm just going to go around the house and just pick up things so that it looks a little bit better than it did before, and I feel accomplished that I did something today. We don't have to get it all done every day. We don't have to get it all done 5 times a week. If we can just do a few things every day, it really does add up, and it makes it easier on us in the future where we don't have to do all the things in one day. So literally I'm starting right now. I've got some cups that I want to put up here. I don't have any dishes to do right now, but I do have dishes I can put away. And already I'm gonna start feeling better because I'm up. I'm doing something, you know. Maybe you haven't showered in 4 days. Maybe that's the first thing you want to do today. Take a shower. It doesn't even have to, you know, if you don't even feel like washing your hair, don't wash your hair. Just get in there, run the water over you, feel warm. There's something about taking a shower that to me does make one feel better, because you're showing self-care to your body, which is what gets you through the day, right? So I got my little silverware I'm putting away, and I'm looking around. I've got a cloth over here. Sometimes it's just we don't know where to start. We don't know what we want to do, and what I like to do is just look around, see what's out of place, and put it back in the place it does go. And then I feel like, okay, all I did was move one cloth and put some dishes away, and this kitchen looks so much better than it already did. So now we're going to move into the living room and see what we can find in there that's just a little out of place. So my husband always leaves his socks on the floor. Sometimes his work shirts too. So of course there's 2 shirts on the floor. He's got a box of Cheez-Its down there, and honestly I'm leaving them there because I know as soon as he comes home he's gonna get them and bring them in here anyway. So it saves me some time. I've got some little wafers that I was eating this morning, and then there's this cup right here. I think he was drinking some tea. We had Bojangles last night because guess what? I didn't feel like I didn't feel like cooking last night. And also, ice cream sandwich wrappers. We have been eating on those. So, I'm going to pick up these few things, and I may straighten up some other stuff as well. Just in moving around for a couple of minutes, I'd say, I just walked that stuff to the trash and to the laundry area, and I feel like, oh, well, now I want to straighten up my blankets. See, I think that's what happens is sometimes we don't know where to start, we're not motivated, and then we just don't start, like I said in the beginning. But once you get started, do one thing, literally just one thing, and you'll start to see other things that you want to do, and you're already standing up, which is one of the biggest things. You just gotta get up. Once you get up, it is a lot easier to motivate yourself. And I work from home. I always sit in front of the TV. If you see me on Instagram, I'm normally always in my little recliner with my blanket, as you can see. And so sometimes I'm like, I'll just wait another 20 minutes before I get up today. If y'all don't know, it is already 12:30. Normally by this time, I would have already filmed a video and been sitting back down to eat lunch, but today was not that day. And also, Chloe has a blanket over here I want to straighten up. The whole point of this video is to just motivate y'all. If you are in the bed right now, to just take a leap and just get out of the bed. Oh, there she goes. Are you ready to mess up this blanket again? Okay. Alright. We are going to move on to the bedroom, which is the last place I'm going today. Alright, so my bed is obviously not made yet. Normally I do that. Don't worry, I'm walking on dirty clothes. They'll be in the wash machine soon. So, normally I will get up in the morning. I will make my bed. I'll take the comforter off. But today is an imperfect day. Today is just we're doing enough to where we feel in our minds that we did something. And sometimes that's all it takes. And maybe, you know, maybe this would happen. Maybe you'll do it imperfectly and then you'll feel that gratification that you did do something today. And maybe later or a couple hours go down and you feel like, you know what? I want to go make that bed up how I like to make it up when I do feel good, because I'm starting to feel better. It may not be today. So, what I would do, what I normally do, normally on the weekends, when I'm like pooped, I've filmed so many videos, I'm pooped today, I don't want to do anything else, I'm done cleaning for the week, I would just come over here and I'll just kind of straighten it up. My mom used to say that a lot, that our bedrooms don't have to be super clean, just straighten it up. And I feel like a lot of people have lost that feeling of it's okay to just straighten it up sometimes. It does not have to be perfect, and you know, there can be little crinkles in your blanket, especially if nobody's coming over that day, or if people do come over to your house every day but nobody comes in your bedroom. You do what feels right for you. So that's right for me. I'm not worried about putting my pretty little pillows up there. I put that pillow up there because my granny passed away and she touched that pillow. And I know that sounds so silly for me to care so much about a little $4 pillow from Walmart, but my dad bought us little pillows for Christmas like 2 years ago, and shortly after that my granny did die. And has it been 2 years? Wow. Okay, maybe 1 year total. So it wasn't December, but the last December, 2019. My granny passed away, and I remember me showing her the fuzzy pillow that my dad had got me and my sister and my mom, and she thought it was hers. She had Alzheimer's, sorry. And so I was okay with giving it to her, and so she got to hold it for a while, and then my mom or dad finally just gave it back to me and said they would buy her another one. But she hugged that pillow, so that pillow is very special to me. So don't make fun of my pink pillow on my tan bed. It will be there forever. Because it symbolizes, I know it sounds so silly, but it symbolizes the last time that I saw her, because she lives she lived in a different state than me, so we always go to Tennessee during Christmas time, and that was the last Christmas I saw her. So I hope that this isn't upsetting anyone, because I know some of you may be watching this video because you are still laying in the bed. So that stays there. But these pillows, I don't have to put these on the bed right now, right? So I'm not going to. We're half butting it today. It is imperfect today. And you know what? Imperfections are beautiful, because that is what makes us us. If all of us were the same, it'd be a pretty boring world, wouldn't it? So Aaron got this blanket during Christmas time when we went to Pigeon Forge, so I'm putting it there. And then the only other thing I'm gonna do, there's some dirty clothes right here on the floor. Ugh. Hopefully y'all didn't see my bum. I gotta do something about how much I've been eating lately. It is the winter. And you know, when your pants are feeling a little tighter, you can do something. Alright. All that's left is to put these clothes in the washing machine. And then I'm calling it a day, and I'm going to read some of your comments.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it.
Alright, so somehow what turned into an imperfect day was us getting our dishes put away, us moving things where they should be and not where they are, straightening up the bed a little bit, and picking up the dirty clothes. And it feels so much lighter in here. I feel like, okay, I'm ready for the next step. What else can we do today? And maybe before I started, I might have felt lost, like I don't know what I want to do today. I don't know where to start today. And so I hope that this helps one of you, even if it's just one, that you can go from being in the bed at 12:30 in the afternoon, or 5 p.m. if that's when you're watching this, that's when I upload. You may be in the bed and feel like, I can't do it. Just know that if you take that leap of faith and you just move those covers and get up, get in the bathroom, use it. Maybe you don't feel like washing your hair and taking a shower. Get a washcloth, wash your face, wash your hands. Do something that is cleansing physically of your body, because I promise you, mentally, it makes me feel like, okay, I'm ready for the day. I can do a little bit more, and just keep doing a little bit. And before you know it, when the day's over, you've done a lot. So I hope this video has been helpful for someone. I am going to read some comments. This one is from the Ultimate Clean With Me. Brenda said, I totally fixed my husband's, then my kids, then myself. Growing up, that's what my mom, she's in heaven now, would do. My mother-in-law, she's in heaven now, was the same way. That is so sweet. So she was referring to fixing her kids and her husband's plate. Or, not kids, I'm sorry. Oh yes, I am right. Okay. So, Barbara said, I love your videos. I hope you do 5 days. So excited. So I asked in a poll, it probably would have been Friday, like last Friday, if y'all wanted to see Monday through Friday videos, or 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And so far, like 77% of you have said you want to see 5 videos a week. So you will see me again here tomorrow. I think today for y'all is Tuesday. I'm not sure. But anyways, you will see videos Monday through Friday for me at 5 p.m. Eastern time, unless I'm doing a special collab where the other people want to do it at a different time. My regular schedule is 5 p.m. Eastern time. And then I'm going to read one more comment. So, Ashley said 5 videos. Duh, laugh out loud. I appreciate y'all for watching the videos, commenting, liking, subscribing, all of those things, because we're building a family over here, and right now our family is getting pretty big. So I hope that I can still keep up in the future. Like, I don't ever see myself not reading some of your comments, but there may come a time where I am only able to pick 1 or 2 comments or something like that. But I hope you all know that I appreciate it when you take time out of your day to even watch my videos, because I know time is such a precious thing. So I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another video. I hope you got something out of this video. Let me know if you did down below. And yeah,
when we wake,
bye.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.